It's Saturday night. The Packers just lost. It's raining outside. And I've felt like shit for the past 4 or 5 days now. It just seems like everything is an L. And I don't know what it is with the weather out here, but every time, like, it rains so rarely, but every time it does, it's just right in line with the way I'm feeling. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I'm having kind of like this mental breakdown or something. Just like so much shit is wrong in my life, and I'm finally just coming to this realization that I need to make a change or it's just going to keep getting worse. And I was driving back today after door dashing, and there was this moment that was kind of like an analogy to what I'm feeling right now. So I wanted to get back to this beach spot that I like to sleep at. It's like where I'm comfortable and what I'm used to. And I was looking how much gas I had, and it was exactly the amount of miles that I needed to get back. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, if I make one wrong turn, I'm going to run out of gas, and I'm going to be fucked in the rain, just stranded on the side of the highway. And that's how I feel in life right now. I feel like I'm out in the middle of nowhere, and if I make one wrong turn, I'm going to be completely screwed and just be stranded in life. And that's kind of where I'm at, you know? I'm trying to explain this right now, but my head is just fucked, dude. So anyway, I'm driving, and I'm going as slow as possible, being really careful about where I'm going to turn and watching the directions. And that's kind of how I feel like I have to be right now. If I try and go too fast, or if I make a wrong turn, I am screwed because I just don't have any gas left, dude. Like, I've been out doing this car lifestyle, fucking around / just in and out of depression for the past 3 years. I really feel like I don't have much left in the tank, and I'm kind of just at my rope's end in so many different ways that if I make one wrong turn, if I don't make the right choice now, I feel like I don't know what's going to happen to me, dude. And I mean, that's just the honest truth that I'm thinking in my own head, possibly manifesting, I don't know. But I'm just realizing that I have to make a change. I have to do something. Like, maybe I have to go back home and like go where I have family and friends. Maybe it's the job. Maybe meeting up with my ex-girlfriend in the midst of all the chaos I already have is just stacking more on my plate, and maybe I can't keep doing that. I just have all these things swirling through my head, and it just seems like everywhere I look, like whether it's financials, fucked. Housing, fucked. Location, fucked. Friends across the country. Family across the country. And I have only myself to blame. Like, I put myself in this position. I've been Peter Panning my way away from all my problems for 3 years now, and literally just running from this sad cloud that keeps following me around. And I'm just thinking to myself that I can't build any type of foundation or build anything on the foundation that I have right now. It's just so rocky and just so unstable that no matter what I build, whether it's a relationship, like some job, some whatever, it just always crumbles. Like, the only thing that's keeping me afloat right now legitimately is these videos. It's like the only thing I have, and that's why I'm facing the camera at this point, because it's all I have. So I'm just kind of talking to the camera like it's my friend, because if I'm being honest, I'm like really isolating myself right now. I don't want to see people. I don't want to talk to people. So this is like the only person I have right now is this camera. And yeah.